You do when you can find a few bucks and cents. I don't know. Try to buy some crypto. So, anyway, guys, good night, or good morning, wherever you are. This article is coming from Cryptomat. I'm going to be looking into Holo. Just interested in what Holo is. I've been looking into it for a little bit, but let's read. So, what is cryptocurrency Holo and how does it work? I'm not going to wear this part here. Just going to scroll down. So that's the price of Holo, guys. It's very cheap. That's the supply, circulating supply of 177 billion. It's a lot. But the good thing about Holo is there's a max supply. That's it. There's no more. Some blockchain continue going. Trading volume is 12 million. And in the market rate 111 in market rank, and market cap is 278 million. So that means the market rank cap was probably higher when the economy was doing way better. So what is Holo? Holo is a peer-to-peer platform for distributed application based on a cloud storage infrastructure. Holo provides 2P2 market of apps where network participants can become hosts for decentralized application distributed across the network by using their computational power and getting paid in return. Holo is a platform that connects user to the internet. With the Holo system acting as the medium of connection, Holo chain's applications are decentralized apps. However, instead of using the well-known term dApps, Holochain apps are known as HAPPS apps. Holo aims to offer a more efficient and cost-effective system for developers who are working with decentralized applications, achieving its finality without the use of consensus algorithms that are traditionally used by blockchains. Holo aims to create a new version of the internet with the goal of creating a scalable environment where information that is stored, shared, and distributed is not seen or controlled by intermediaries or central authorities. With the use of a unique hashing function that lowers the cost of operations and running the system, Holo aims to revolutionize the way we use the internet by having it work in favor of people instead of corporations. How does Holo work? Instead of using a traditional form of blockchain technology to verify transactions and generate new blocks while securing the network, the Holo and Holochain ecosystem uses a special hash function. Holo is based on the Holo distributed hash table. The DHT is an agent centric, which means that it employs a single node that can individually verify transactions. Once verified by an individual node, the data is distributed to other nodes in the system, which double check the verification info for transparency and legitimacy. The capacity of the network is scaled to scale is reflected in the rising number of nodes and occupational power, which often poses a problem in traditional protocols. However, DHT uses sharding to distribute data and scale the network traffic to make it optimal and run smoothly for hosted apps. Due to the fact that Holochain doesn't use traditional blockchain technology, but instead uses hashing, the network doesn't require staking or mining to verify transactions, create new blocks, and secure the network. So if it doesn't use decentralized, that means it's centralized. So, but it's operating off of a decentralized Sister, I don't even understand. So, who are the founders of Holo? It sounds centralized to me. And what makes Holo unique? Okay, let maybe I'll get my answer with this. Holo is unique by virtue of its architecture, as the Holo platform doesn't run on traditional blockchain technology, but instead uses a hashing algorithm as a post-blockchain network. Oh, I see. With the use of classic distributed ledger technology, Holo enables users to host and use various apps on the network known as apps. That is why Holo doesn't require staking or mining to operate and run the nodes. Holo achieves uniqueness not only through the use of DHT hashing function, but also with its architecture, which forms a P2P market where users can get paid for hosting applications developed by other users and deployed to Holochain app. So let's look at how is the Holo network secured. The Holo network is secured through the use of the distributed hash table, which ensures that the individual node can first verify transactions and participate in generation before having this data verified by the rest of the nodes on the network. Holo distributes transaction data across nodes that have the task of double checking the transaction data after individual nodes have verified it initially. The neighbor nodes ensure that the data is valid and transparent, thus adding a layer of security to the network while maintaining transparency at the same time. Our chain is constructed with DHT at the core of its mechanism, providing a post blockchain network that can scale and secure the platform without the use of protocols such as proof of work and proof of stake. Even if an individual node acts maliciously and violates a false transaction, the rest of the nodes would recognize the malicious activity and double checking data, which is how the Holo network is secured. That's pretty cool, I guess. So how to use Holo? The Holo the Holo ecosystem is used as peer-to-peer market for hosting application and acts as a bridge between the Holochain app, where applications are hosted, and the internet, with the goal of making the internet more focused on people instead of corporations. Hot coins can be used as the main payment method on the network, whereas network participants who use Holo to rent computational power to other users for hosting apps can earn hot in return for their rental services. Hot coins can be held as an investment or traded for profit in the live market of cryptocurrency. Hot was created to be an IOU redeemable for the Holo Fuel token upon its launch. Holo Fuel is designed for microtransactions and will be used to pay host. Once Holo Fuel is released, Hot can be swapped for Holo Fuel in in a 1-to-1 ratio, with the swap Hot being held as reserve currency to provide liquidity to all of fuel holders. Let's get into the conclusion of this. Conclusion: Allo is a unique project in the market of cryptocurrency, as it runs on a specific hashing algorithm without the use of decentralized technology. I'm guessing that's what the DLT means. To facilitate the conditions for a P2P market, it provides cloud storage for hosting apps, which is how the value of Holo is defined. Through through its unique technical approach and capacity to scale, hosting apps with Holo is more cost efficient and effective, which is why Holo could become one of the leading platforms of its time in the long run. Join the crypto revolution. Say hello to Holo. Holo price. There's a lot of information here on Holo. Yes, so guys, thank you for tuning in and, you know what I'm saying, helping me with this reading. Until next time, peace. Subscribe.